Hey guys, welcome to tea time. Happy Friday, guys. Get your tea, your coffee, your mocha, your smoothie, your water, your orange juice, or whatever it is that you partake in the morning. Guys, I haven't had a good cup of cold coffee, brewed coffee. It tastes so good, so good. So guys, I don't have a lot this morning. I just want to say thankful Friday. Thank God it's Friday, guys. Be thankful for the week that you overcame Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today here it is. It's Friday. Be grateful, be humble, be loving, be kind, be love. Be the love and the light that you want to see for the upcoming days. Guys, please love yourself so that you can love others, okay? And for that, we're going to take another sip. I will see you guys on another episode of Tea Time. Be good to yourself, okay? And be good and loving to others. Bye, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. We in here. We are in here. Not gonna be in here that long, y'all. Y'all see, I got this cart full, but stuff will be going back. I'm trying to find my girlfriend. $10 day today, y'all. $10. Everything's $10. I'm actually trying to find this is for my girlfriend, but I'm trying to find me one. This is a king size, but I'm trying to find me a queen size comforter set for $10. So, yeah, I'm not getting all this stuff. This is stuff to show her. It's crazy in here. It's crazy in here. Is this a hose? Ooh, a water hose. Let's keep going, y'all. Let's keep going. Look at all these people. Hey, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So, as you guys can tell, not in the sole beginning of the video, but this afternoon, I did go with a friend to the bins, and I just want to show you guys some things that I hauled today for $30, guys. Everything that I'm going to show you today was $30 and I think 6 cents or something like that. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful. So you guys know when I bring things in, she takes things out. So I just want to fill you in for that because I do know I have some new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Guys, I found some really good deals that I think are luxury brand things for less. That's why I named my video what I did. And I think what I'm about to start doing too is, I did it today, and I do it time to time, but I think I'm going to do it more. I'm going to start picking up things. Sorry for the smoke detector. Change the battery, it still keeps doing that. I'm going to start finding things for other people that I know that may be needing things or maybe having some struggles where I can bless them by going to these bins. I'm going to run it past my friend. I'm thinking this maybe could be something that we can do together because a couple of my friends, we are like one and the same. They kind of like the same thing. They live very minimal. They only buy what they need. They like to save and things like that. I just think that would be a very, very good thing to do. What else did I want to tell you guys about? My trip, guys, we're not going to worry about it right now. But I did haul something today. That's weird. That's funny because I could use that right now. And that's the reason why I got it. But we're going to just hold out for a little while longer because this weather, like I said, is up and down. And I don't know, I might have some other things in plan. So I just wanted to inform you guys, give you a heads up what this video is about today. And I know you guys want to see, right? You want to see, what did she buy today? What did she score today? So guys, we are in this family room. Y'all, I am loving this room. Let me know too. I think I ran past you guys that I wanted to change this canvas. Let me know, what do y'all think? Do y'all think I should change it to go along with the other canvases in the house so they can have the same kind of theme if I wanted to change them all out? Or should I just do what I said and paint more white inside where there is gray? Because this room is more, it's more black and white and touches of gray. It's not all gray. The rug is gray in it, but mostly everything else is like, besides the walls, are gray. And I think I should make it more white, gold, and black and lessen some of the gray. So let me know what y'all think. So are y'all ready to see what I got? So Sonia, quit talking. So guys, I will be back shortly. Hold the line, please. All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'm going to show you guys today all the things that I hauled today. The first thing I'm going to start off with is this Cuisinart pot. It is like a pot that you use for making soups and things like that. It has the lid to it. The lid is dirty. You can tell somebody either used it or spilled something on it. But other than that, it's in great shape. I got this for $1 just because of the lid has something attached to, I mean, something on it. But guys, other than that, it's brand new. Really, really nice. This is exactly, this is the induction ready one. This is 6.0 quart, so 5.7 liters. That's what this is. So I got this for $1. I also picked up this bag. Now this is the bag that I was talking about that I can't believe I found as a duffel bag. It has an adjustable crossbody strap. This was originally $49.99 and it is by A New Day. I love the fact that it has these zippers on each side, like so, for easy entry. The other zipper is right here. I love the color of it, and the straps are in the inside. And this is the color. I mean, this is the size of the strap. So everything is in the bag, tucked away really, really nice. I absolutely love this. This is like an overnight bag, and it has like different compartments in the inside, like for your phone or things like that over here on this side. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. I think it's really, really nice. It has no defects or anything. It's, like I said, it's brand new. Guys, sorry for the smoke detector. And it has like the handles with the little gold design here, hardware. And yeah, really nice overnight bag. You guys already seen my luggage bag has wheels, but I don't have nothing like this. So this came in handy. I also picked up this. Now this is supposed to be a bottom for a plant stand. So I will be in another video, probably tomorrow, you guys will be seeing me put another one of my plants inside one of these for extra, to get rid of something that is already on that's barely holding it up. So I got this for $3. Y'all, look at my new baby here. Do you guys see this? This is a 16-inch planter. It's a metal and it's metal stand, and this is by Project 62. It says planter with stand. So guys, this was $10. I'm going to be putting my new bird of paradise. I'm not going to plant her in there yet, but I am going to set her in there, and it has a drainage hole to it. This can come off. There's the drainage hole. But guys, this is so pretty, especially in this room. It's going to look so, so nice. I got that. And then, so these are all my big items that I hauled. And then everything else I'm going to show you guys was $1. So some of the things that I got, like I mentioned, I'm going to be giving some things away. I have 3 sons, and I'm going to be gifting them some body wash. So I bought 3 of these Every Man Jack body wash shower gel, eucalyptus mint. This is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, 50% recycled content, meaning the container, naturally deburred. So I got 3 of these, really nice size, and these are all 16.9 ounces. So you can't beat that for $1 a piece. So I got these 3. And I also picked up, now this package says it was $3, this Everspring. These are essential oils. I have 3 of them, and they are, y'all, sorry for the squinching. Y'all know I wear glasses. eucalyptus, lemon, and mint. And there's another one that is marjoram and ginger. So that's not bad for 3 of these for $3. So basically $1 each for all 3 of them. I think that is a good deal. So I got that. I also picked up some Dr. Teal's Moisturizing Bath and Body Moisture. This is Soothing Lavender, and this is paraben and folate free. And this is Calming Lavender Essential Oil, softens and moisturizes for lightweight moisturizer. This is in the shower or after the shower. And this is 8.8 ounces for $1. So I don't think that's bad at all. Got that. The last and final thing that I picked up is this Carol's Daughter. You guys remember when I hauled the Carol's Daughter conditioner cream, like for putting like on your edges or whatever? This is the almond milk daily damage repair. This is a restoring conditioner. It doesn't say, it says strengthens and protects hair, restores and softens. So I probably can leave this in or out. I can't read that small writing, but I probably can leave it in or out. It doesn't matter. But it is by Carol's Daughter, and this is 12 ounces. And y'all know this is expensive. It has never been open. I don't want to even turn it because when I turn it, it's going to pump up. It's going to open. But I got this for $1 as well. So guys, I got all of these items here, everything here that you see, all for $30. $30.06. So I'm going to give you guys a pan around to show you everything all over again. So guys, I absolutely love it. Let me know what's your favorite item here. Here is the flower pot that I know that is very expensive. This alone was $50. If you guys can see here, very beautiful. $3. And all of these essential items right here, sorry guys, all these essential items were $1 a piece. So you can't go wrong with that. And yeah, that is how those items look. So I'm just giving you guys a pan around. And if you want to see this again, has a little drainage hole here. And this is the that is the name of it right here. Yeah guys, that is everything I hauled. I got that and my Cuisinart big old pan here that I absolutely love. Guys, you can't go wrong. You know this probably is like $60 or $70, probably $80 the most. But yeah, that is everything that I hauled today. Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Did y'all like everything? What's your favorite item? And guys, I will see you in the next one. Don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I hope you guys were able to see this video because for some odd reason, this room has a lot of light today. I'm going to show you. The sun is coming in. So yeah, I'll throw in another video of everything again. And let me know in the comments, what was your favorite item? Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.